I'm in Beallsville, Maryland, which is rural Montgomery County. This is a great example of what to do with an old building. They took a 90 by 160 building, an old building, and stripped off the siding and put on these insulated metal panels. These have a metal skin on the inside and a metal skin on the outside and a polyisocyanurate core. And it's a great solution for a building like this. The only problem the owner is having right now is leaking at the windows, and detailing around the windows, especially on IMPs, is really important. Getting all of the trim to come together, to seal, to drain properly, putting the caulking in the right place is really critical. They probably could have used our help during that process. Anyway, we're not here to work on this building today. We're here to work on the next building that they're going to put at the distillery, which is this 36-foot by 100-foot building behind me. And that's going to be offices, conference room, temporary housing for some of the workers. What's different about this building is it has a mezzanine in it. And this can all be engineered with the pre-engineered steel building. It comes out all as one system. All the components come together. There's a bar joist and metal deck system. You can see above me, and then there's a concrete slab on top of that. The other thing that's different about this building is it's going to be more of a showpiece as opposed to just a manufacturing facility. You can see some of the window openings behind me. There are 39 windows in this building, and they have these high-class storefront type windows. Getting the detailing around these windows is really critical to make sure that they don't have the same problem here that they have in their manufacturing building. So there's a sill trim that goes in. There's a J-channel piece that clamps against the siding here. And then there's a drip gutter up above that diverts the water away from the window, away from the siding. Getting all of those in and caulked and sealed to this aluminum storefront is really critical. It has a lot of overhead doors and custom storefront doors that are going to go in on the front of the building. The other thing to keep in mind is that adds an enormous amount of time. What would normally be a fast operation, putting the siding on this building. These are some of the storefront doors that go on, and you can see all of the components that go with them. You can see the myriad of pieces that go into just the window and door systems on this building. So where we might be able to put the cladding on this building in a week, it's probably more like a month-long process. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. We design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.